I'm making a very quick, easy arugula salad with some olive oil, some lemon juice, tomatoes, and some Parmesan shavings. Okay, so now we're just squeezing a little bit of lemon juice over the salad mixture. And I'm doing it the way the TV cooks do it, right in your hand to catch the pits. So we're going to mix this up a bit, and we're not really going to use salt because there's enough salt in everything, and you don't want to use pepper on arugula because it's got that really nice, bright, peppery taste. We're going to put some Parmesan curls, if we can get the curls, or just big slices. Okay.